Hi, my name is Dilip and I'm from Sydney, Australia. I bought two machines from DX Tech and Blue Elephant. One is a CNC machine and the other one is a tube laser machine. So we've already received the CNC and tube laser. I've just come back to see it and the machine seems very good. My sales service person was Tina, and she was very responsive. She's always been helpful whenever I've sent her a message. The pricing was very good. They matched the prices to other quotes that I received as well. The machine quality and the build has been good so far. The engineers have been really helpful and assisted in making the right samples that I told them to make in the tube machine and also in the CNC machine before we actually shipped it out. All communications have been through WhatsApp group and they have been able to assist whenever we have messaged them in a timely manner. So I would recommend DX Tech and Blue Elephant to all overseas customers. And my special thanks goes to Tina, who has been very supportive and always responded to all my queries in a timely manner. Thank you.